The EA Sports FC 25 team uniform kit selection screen freeze is stopping your game, but we've got the exact fix right now. This common issue is frustrating, but luckily it's usually resolved with a few simple steps to clear out corrupted temporary data. First up, we're going to clear the game's cache files. Navigate to your EA Sports FC 25 installation folder, find the cache directory, and delete everything inside it. This removes any bad temporary files that might be causing the problem. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems from corrupted game files themselves, which brings us to method 2, verifying game file integrity. Open your EA app or Steam, find FC25, select Manage, then Verify Files, letting the launcher check and repair any damaged data. When that's done, we need to ensure your graphics hardware is communicating properly, so for method 3, we update graphics drivers. Go into Device Manager, find your display adapter, right-click, and select Update Driver, searching automatically for the latest version. If none of these steps work, the most drastic but often effective solution is a full reinstall, method 4. We'll install EA Sports FC 25 completely, then download and install it fresh, making sure it's on your fastest drive for optimal performance.